Welcome, 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 welcome to Auntie Knows Kitchen, where when you come to this kitchen, you're like family, everything's real. If I make a mistake, I don't stop to re-edit to make it perfect. Auntie just keeps going because you know why? It's real life here. It's authentic. That's just it. So come on in, and for those of you returning, welcome back. And for my new viewers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, I had to disappear for a few days because I had a rough past couple of days. But let me tell you this. All of my recipes, they're simple to me. But if there's something that you don't quite understand about my recipes, if you drop me a message or a comment, I definitely will get back to you, because I do believe in responding, because that's how much I appreciate your love and support for my channel. I'm a newbie to the YouTube, so let's get started. I'll tell you what I've been doing. I'm not uploading a cooking video because Auntie had to do a little haul, and the way I do, my cooking for my family end up being YouTube videos. And there are some dishes that, that I just love to prepare anyway, because I enjoy seeing people enjoy my food warms my heart. So let me get started on what I've had to do. The way I grocery haul, I sit down and I plan their menus, because just because I can't enjoy the things that they enjoy or things that I have previously liked doesn't mean that I'm going to stop cooking them. I've adapted to the world. I've adapted to my eating restrictions and changed things around. I'm used to it. Guys, it's been 4 years. Don't bother me. I keep a good operating food processor for things that I would like to partake in, as long as it doesn't involve raw produce and beef and pork. I'll try it. But so let's get started with what I've been doing. Okay, it's been a working process. I have my sweet Italian sausage, because I do make my own pizzas. Yes, Auntie Knows makes her own pizzas. I make my own stuffed crust, my own Chicago deep dishes. Yes, anything that comes out of here is an authentic recipe when it comes to Italian, Greek, Asian. No, it's an authentic recipe. These are things that I have either self-taught by learning from chefs on YouTube, and I've tweaked them so I can make them my own. And I do know people who are, Italian, and I've, things that they have told me what not to do, I don't do them. So, I had some help along the way. I've had a pretty good amount of help. I've got my beef, stew meat, and when I looked in my freezer, I had some already there. So that was dated for last month. So I bought some this weekend. I can't remember, guys. That's why I had. So this is for my beef burgundy or beef Bordeaux. It's beef Bordeaux, but you can call it beef burgundy. But I use a Bordeaux wine for mine. They like that, especially my key pipe. So I got that all ready for the freezer. I have another pack of stew meat, which I found I had another bag already that I dated last month. I have another one. This will be just for beef stew. I have another pack. This will be for my beef and rice for them. And remember, I prep meals for 6 to 8 weeks. I have my roast. I didn't freeze this with any seasonings except just a tenderizer. And I use my handy dandy little poker. Walking on a bed of nails. I'm gonna clean my hands because those bags have not been cross-contaminated. Okay, this is one roast. I date everything. You know, you can freeze your meats for up to a year. For those of you that like to go out and want to purchase half a cow or a cow. Okay, one of my daughter love recipes is beef Wellington. But it's not in Auntie's budget to buy a, what that thing called? I can't remember what it's called. But I learned how to make it from a famous chef. I learned how to make it. But I go over it when I do upload. I can't remember the name of it. The name of that cut of meat. It won't come to me. But anyway, but what I use steaks. And I like, and the Wellington is, because I like my Wellington to at least be this thick. So I do take steaks and I stack them 3 because I have carnivore. So this roll pack will give me 5 Wellingtons. And as you see in my previous videos when I do Asian food, I go to the Asian market and get very thinly sliced slices of beef. And this will be for black pepper beef. My husband loves beef stroganoff. Not hamburger helper. That beef pasta stuff. Make my own. I make it for him. This is for beef stroganoff. Now this roast is frozen in my marinade. I'm gonna give you my marinade. You can tweak it and make it your own, and it won't be Auntie Knows. But I'm gonna give you what I did to this cut of moo. I took some Worcestershire sauce, and I got a bowl. Get you a nice handy bowl. Took some Worcestershire sauce. Now you can't be stingy. You gotta get in. I had to make sure the top was. Get in there. Get your garlic powder. Get in there. Get your onion powder. Get in there. Oh, before we do anything with the meat, remember what I always tell you. Wash your meat. Don't believe that hype. You don't have to clean your beef because the heat will clean it. No. Don't half cooking your meat. It'll kill you. Eagle Eye is real. I use my seasoned meat tenderizer. Let me get that for you. I don't know what I do with it. Oh, here it is. I use my handy dandy seasoned meat tenderizer. I'll go over there with all about that later. And I use, now you guys know, gotta get that Laura seasoned salt. Now now y'all black people out there, y'all know now, we bake everything on seasoned salt, fried seasoned salt, and then they came out with what they call French fry season. It's nothing but seasoned salt. And so, I take that, I put in the bowl, and I get my hands, me with the gloves, and you got to massage it, and you got to really get in that roast, and you got to go for it. You can't go gentle. You got to rough it up. And after you finish rubbing it up both sides, you take this. Don't use this, guys. Don't you touch your steak with this thing. Get you one of these. You can get them on Amazon. I've never seen them in the store. I always just order mine, but when I order them, I order like 3. Yeah, I do. Yes, I do. Mother do. Auntie does. And you don't go stab them like it's your enemy. Just poke it, but you still need to go deep. Okay, that's my roast. And then this is what I do. Oh, the goddess. I have to go with the goddesses of it, guys. This stuff. Put that in there. It's in there. Put that in here. Put that in there, guys. Now, cooking this, going in the oven, you need liquid smoke. Let's talk about some liquid smoke now. Don't go buy the liquid smoke that I only use right. Look at your ingredients on your liquid smoke. A true liquid smoke has only water and natural liquid smoke flavor. This is mesquite, which is good for beef. Beef. And the only thing in here in this is water and natural mesquite smoke flavor. There's no molasses, no corn syrup, no sugar, no vinegar, nothing but water and smoke. This is what you want. Now, liquid smoke is very powerful, so you can't go in there, you know, for a roast, you know, like this little size, and this is a thick roast. It's about that thick. Just add a tablespoon. Now, you know, when you want to do that, you know, your applewood is good for your, help me out, guys, if you can. Chicken, your hickory is good for your pork. Now, I use these when I'm in the oven, especially during the wintertime. And so, guys, this is my upload, forgot about my oink, the bacon. I have this bag marked bacon special recipes because this bacon is used for like my brown sugar maple bacon that I cook for certain for breakfast. They like this, and the smallest bags are for baked beans, but sometimes I cook them without bacon. You don't even know it. You swear bacon, the grease from the bacon, oh, it makes some like $1 million bowl, but no, it don't. No, it don't. No, it don't. So, guys, this is it for my beef. But as related to my beef, these are Greek pita flat breads. Because I make my own gyro, whatever one you want to call it. I make my own authentic Greek gyro meat. I don't buy the little gyro packs in the store. I make my own. It's an authentic Greek gyro meat recipe. I will make that because I make it myself. So these are individually wrapped in saran wrap, and they're in a freezer bag. And you don't have to worry about them getting damaged or anything. They're wrapped. You can actually store these up to 4 months like this because they're triple wrapped individually and then put into a freezer bag, not a storage bag or freezer bag. Just like my daughter loves, what them things called? You know, the little thing in the bun. They look like this. Cheese steaks. I prepare these. One thing she just pops them and she wants them toasted. She throw them in that thing over there, the air fryer. But guys, this is it for my beef. Basically, my beef. Just a little bit of pork because I have things already out there. But thank you for tuning in and stepping into my prep. Of my little meat load. But that's how I shop for my family. I go by menus and I prep enough meals for them that will last them at least 8 weeks. Sometimes a lot longer because I already have things, frozen meat and meals out there that's still out there. But again, thank you for tuning in, and to the next upload, be you, but be great at being you. Bye. I'm back for this one little tidbit. If you can, guys, my good friends out there, try to bag and freeze things flat. Oh, and make sure you mash all your air out. After you put these in freezer bags, wrap them. I suggest you wrap them. Please wrap them. Keeps the air out. Try to bag and freeze your things and store them flat. It gives your freezer more room. But this time I'm serious, guys. Till the next time, be good, be great. Bye.